Hello friends. Today I am going to discuss about the identification of the histological section of the esophagus. As we all know that esophagus is also a part of the digestive system. Actually it is called the upper part of the digestive system. Let's say. So these are the contents that we are going to learn. First of all, what is esophagus? Then histological section of the esophagus, how it looks like after staining. Then identifying characters of the histological section of the esophagus, and lastly, few books for your reference. So friends, what is esophagus? It is a tube-like structure which starts from the mouth and ends in the stomach. It's also called the food pipe or the gullet. And actually what happens when we eat something, our mouth, the teeth, the saliva, everything crushes that particular food, and after salivation it enters into the esophagus, and then esophagus with the help of the muscle contraction and relaxation, the process which is known as peristalsis, propagates the food from the mouth to the stomach. At the junction of the esophagus and the stomach, there is a presence of esophageal sphincter, which is a muscular structure, and this food have to push that muscular structure to enter from the esophagus to the stomach. Basically, esophagus helps in the swallowing of the food. So friends, you can see that how the esophageal sphincter helps in the entrance of the food from the esophagus into the stomach. So here the food is coming through the esophagus. Now we will see this is the esophageal sphincter. The food pushed the esophageal sphincter, enters into the stomach. Now what is peristalsis? You can see in this picture that the food, when it's propagating through the esophagus, the muscle is contracting and relaxing, contracting and relaxing. This periodical contraction and relaxation helps the food to propagate from the esophagus towards the stomach. So this is peristalsis. Regarding the histological structure of the esophagus, you can see, as because it is the part of the digestive system, definitely we are going to get the basic four layers of the digestive system, that is mucosa, submucosa, muscular and the serous part. Here you can see this mucosa part, these are the lamina propria, these are the foldings you can see, and this is the large lymphatic nodule. So the lamina propria is one of the main identifying character of the esophageal histological section. And you can see this, these are the circular muscle layer, these are the longitudinal muscle layers, this is the artery, these are the nerves, and these are the basically adipose tissue. So let me point out the part you have to level. So this mucosa, then lamina propria, then this part, come to the nerve, then artery, vein, adipose tissue, and this lymphatic nodules. So that much you have to level in your practical notebook to identify that, okay, you have identified the histological structure of the esophagus. So, presence of mucus, submucus, muscular and the serous coats, presence of lamina propria, hence it is the transverse section of the mammalian esophagus. So these are some books for your ready references, friends. This series will continue to part 13, where I am going to discuss about the histological section of some different organs of our body. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel to get the notifications of the daily updates of educational videos. Like and share. So long. Bye bye.